Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your gaming controller directly to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, you're gonna have to put your controller into the pairing mode, and if you are using the PS5 controller, DualSense controller like this one, in order to put it into pairing mode, we're gonna have to press and hold the PlayStation button and the create button, this one. Press and hold them until you see the light throbbing on your controller. And then on your TV, from the home screen, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then scroll down to remotes and Bluetooth devices, go to game controllers, add a new game controller, then select the DualSense wireless controller that your TV detects around, which is the one I'm holding in my hands right now, and now your controller is successfully detected. To disconnect it, just highlight it in this menu and press the menu button and then OK. Now if it's an Xbox controller, for example, the only difference is putting your device into pairing mode, and to put an Xbox controller into pairing mode, you're gonna have to turn it on by pressing the Xbox button right here. And once it's turned on, hold down the pair button, which is located approximately in this location. So just hold down the pairing mode and then find your Xbox controller in the same menu where we found the DualSense one. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.